Food and Beverage Services, Quarter 4. Our topic is record complaints. We all hate restaurant guest complaints, but unfortunately, they are part of the business. When an issue with a guest complaint has been corrected so that they are once again happy and loyal customer, it is time to deal with other side of the issue. Was this an isolated incident or just one of many? Whatever the problem was, you need to realize one thing right off. That for every person who complains about something, there are more guests who have had the same experience but just haven't said anything. To address the complaints of an establishment, one must be familiar with the type of complaining guest. The following are the types of complaining guests. First is the volcano. It erupts suddenly, insults you personally, and eager to pick a fight with you. The next is the know-it-all complaining guest. He acts as he knows everything in terms of food and service. They threaten by name-dropping on famous people and politicians. Next are the foreigner. They are very difficult to communicate with. They cannot explain their problem fully and cannot understand the solution you are suggesting. Next are the ramblers. They relishes the chance to speak to someone or anyone. They refuses to get to the point but talks on and on about irrelevances. Next are the clams. They will not talk, but obviously dissatisfied and problematic. You have to work extra hard to be able to give what they need because they will not talk. Next are the freeloader. They will complain so as to get freebies. They will usually complain about even the smallest details or will make up complaints. They will definitely demand that their meal will be on the house. Although you may feel that the complaining guest was in pain, you need to correct the problem immediately and make sure you carry them too. Patrol customers' conversation on the web. In today's digital age, there is no way of knowing exactly where a customer will choose to voice a complaint. From traditional hotline numbers and online feedback forms to social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and user review sites such as Yelp, the internet is the customer's oyster as far as retaliation is concerned. Of course, direct communication is always ideal, and if a customer's contact information is given, the issue should be dealt with on a personal basis. Once the complaint is resolved, it is worth asking the customer to post again on the original message board and update readers and potential customers who may visit the site in the future. How to complete the customer complaint records. Each time a complaint is received, the record sheet should be fully completed. First, record the complaint details, the name and the address of the complainant if it is possible. It may become important at later date, so make sure you note them down whenever possible. Number 2, the nature of complaint. Box should be used to record the reason for the complaint. Number 3, write down the food details. If you have not produced the food yourself, note important information given on the packaging, including any names and addresses, sell-by dates or best before dates, and any manufacturer's codes. Number 4, note what action was taken as a result of the complainant. Number 5, regularly review the complaint records to see if there are any recurring themes. Example could include several complaints about the food you receive from a particular supplier or cooked by a particular chef. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.